Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to make a triple crochet stitch, also known as a treble crochet stitch. This stitch is taller than a double crochet and great for adding height to your projects. So, grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Start by yarning over twice. This means wrapping the yarn around your hook 2 times before you insert it into your work. Insert your hook into the stitch where you want to make the triple crochet. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. Now you should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. You have now 3 loops left. Yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops. Finally, yarn over one last time and pull through the last 2 loops. And that's how you make a triple crochet stitch. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.